Alright guys, welcome back to Rod Smoking Stuff, and today we're going to be cooking on the Blackstone again. The first thing we got to do is make some bacon jam, because we're going to make some bacon jam sliders today. So stick around, we'll show you how we do that. Alright guys, so first thing I've done, I've got 2 pounds of bacon here. I'm doubling this recipe, so it might look like a lot. That's because it is. Probably didn't need to, but I'll have leftover I can use later on other stuff. It'll keep for about a week in the fridge, so it'll be fine. So you want to put your bacon on low so it gets cooked through evenly. We're just going to keep stirring this and get it cooked up. When your grease starts to get like this, just bubbling, this foamy stuff, you know you're getting close. We just got a couple more minutes and this bacon will be coming off of here. Alright guys, our bacon's done. I'm going to take this spoon with holes in it because we want the grease to stay in there. We're going to get this bacon out. So now, this out of the way. Time for our onions. We've got 2 onions because I'm doubling the recipe. Alright guys, I almost forgot our garlic. It says 6 cloves. I have this minced stuff I use because I'm lazy. So I just put what about, I think it'd be 6 cloves, you know. Probably a bit more, but I like garlic, so stir that in with your onions. We're going to put this on medium heat, and then we're going to turn it down and let them caramelize once they get translucent. So stick around for that exciting. Alright, these are clear, so we're going to turn the heat down, and we're just going to let them cook for probably another 7 to 10 minutes until they start to caramelize. Alright guys, our onions are almost there. Just another minute or so. Be ready to mix up this bacon jam. Alright guys, we're caramelized, so I'm going to go with a 1 cup brown sugar. Apple cider vinegar, which is 2/3 of the cup. We got 1 cup of honey, or you can use maple syrup. Either one works. But I have bees and I have beehives, so I usually go with the honey. Put bacon back in there. Oh, I forgot to add our red pepper flakes, just a couple pinches of those. Alright guys, that's it right there. It's been about 8 minutes. My bacon jam's done, you can tell because of how it is, because it's jammy like. So we'll let this cool and we'll get it on our slider. Alright guys, so we're going to get our burger patties made. This is the tray for our King's Hawaiian, so we're going to just spread this out in here. That way we get it the right size. I'll probably push it out just a little bit bigger because it will have some shrinkage. And you can just put it however thick you like it. Alright, that's pretty even. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'll come season this. Alright, so we're just gonna put some coarse ground pepper on this thing. A little bit of salt. And I like Montreal steak seasoning on my burgers. People say that's weird, but hey, you do what you like. Alright, I got one more of those to do, but I won't show you on camera, and then we'll get these on the grill. Alright guys, I'm just gonna slap this on here is what we're hoping. Yeah, just like that, that's how it's supposed to work. And I'm gonna get my other one ready. Alright guys, got both of them on here. Let's season this other side. I'm telling you, this is the worst. I've used these great value salt grinders before, you know, but this is the worst one I've ever seen. This bugger must have been built on a Friday night at 4:30, because whoever was wanting to go home, it's not a sharpened blade. Anyway, enough of that. Montreal steak seasoning. Okay, now we're just going to let these cook. I'm going to shut the lid, let them go for 7-8 minutes, and then we'll flip them. Not 7 or 8, 4 to 5. Alright guys, I'm going to attempt to turn these and keep them in one piece. This could be tricky. Well, sort of. Pretty happy with that. That worked out well. Alright guys, you can see we've got our cheese on there. I'm using American cheese because that's what I like. I don't think I got that recorded. I put it on and I thought we were recording, but we weren't. But anyway, I'm only putting cheese on half this one because we have this weird guy in our house that doesn't like melted cheese. So we're just doing it this way. We'll get them on the bun shortly. Alright guys, these are done, so we're going to get them onto our buns here. Perfect. Almost. Close enough. Number 2. There we go. As long as we don't drop anything, trip on this little paint hose, we'll be good. Alright, so this is how our bacon jam turned out. See, it's a very jammy consistency. We're going to put that on top of these. Now I've got these other weird people in my house that don't like onions, so the other one's staying plain, but I can tell you which one I'm eating. Alright, I think that's plenty. Okay, I'll put the lid on this. Lid on this. They can add bacon jam if they want, or whatever they want to theirs. I'm gonna get me one of these, try it out. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Check that out. See how it is. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, that is so good, guys. You got to try this. Wow, that's the best burger I've ever had. It's worth the time to make the bacon jam. That was excellent. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one, and thanks for watching.